Welcome all. This is the second part of ethical hacking series. So in this part, we will learn how to install Metasploit framework using Termux. But before that, we have to know what is Metasploit. Metasploit framework is a computer security project that provides information about security loopholes and used in penetration testing. Penetration testing means the practice of testing system to find security weakness. And by using Metasploit, we can hack any Android mobile or computer. So let's know the steps to install Metasploit on Termux. So first, open your Termux app and type pkg space install space curl. Okay, curl is used to transfer data to and from a server. So first we have to install curl before installing Metasploit. Now hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter. Okay, now the installation of curl is completed, and to start installation of Metasploit, we have to visit another site called bestwin.com/fl6e9ikit, and in this site copy all the raw paste data copy this data and go to your Termux page, and from here paste it, paste and hit enter. And now to provide authentication to the Metasploit installation, type chmod space 777 space metasploit .sh and hit enter. Now start installation. You have to type ./metasploit.sh and hit enter. It will take 10 to 20 minutes depending upon your data rate, so we have to wait. Enter. Now the Metasploit framework is installed. To check whether it is properly installed or not, type cd space Metasploit -framework. Okay, this command will take you to the Metasploit framework directory. Now press enter, and to check all the files, type ls and hit enter. The ls command will list all the available files in the Metasploit framework directory. Now to enter msf console, type ./msf console and hit enter. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to open the console. Now the MSF console is installed. You are ready to do other things. So that's all for this part. We'll see you in the next part.